Hello everyone. Through this video we are going to discuss question number 15 and question number 16 of exercise 4.6. And along with this I'm going to pick up an important question from the miscellaneous exercise which is based on solution of system of linear equations. So we proceed with question number 15 of exercise 4.6 first. So in the question what is given? If capital A is equal to, this is the matrix given, we first have to find out what is A inverse. Then using this A inverse value we have to solve this system of linear equations as we did in case of question number 11, 12, 13 and all. So I shall first proceed with the first part. So here goes the solution. We have matrix A is equal to 2 minus 3 5, then 3 2 minus 4, then 1 1 minus 2. So for finding out its inverse, first of all we have to find out its determinant value. If the determinant is a non-zero quantity, if the determinant value is a non-zero quantity, then only inverse of this matrix will exist. So I'm going to proceed with expansion along first row. 2 into, this will be minus 4, then after plus 4, then after minus minus plus 3, then after minus 6 plus 4 plus 5, then after 3 minus 2. So what did I get here? This will of course be 0. Then here I get the result as minus 6. Then after, in this case, it will be plus 5. So my result here will be minus 1, which is again a non-zero quantity, and therefore A inverse will exist here. Therefore A inverse exists. Then after I shall come to the adjoint part. So in the adjoint part, actually once again I'm going to write this matrix for my own use. This is 2 minus 3 5, then 3 2 minus 4, here it is 1 1 minus 2. Then while finding out its cofactors, for finding out adjoint we first need to find out the cofactors. So the cofactors are A11, here in this case A12, here it is A13. Then after we get A21, then A22, A23, then A31, after that A32, then after A33. So the values will be like this. A11 we shall be getting as 0. Then after, here in this case it will be 2. Then after A13 is 1 here. Then after, for A21 the result comes as minus 1. Then after, for A22 the result is minus 9 using sign convention. And then after, this comes as A23 comes as, sorry, this should be 5. A23, let us check it once again. A23, for this position we shall be getting 2, then minus 3, minus minus plus. This result will be minus 5 after using sign convention. And then after, the next result for A31 will be, for A31 the result will be 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, this will be 4 3 12. Then after minus 5 minus 12, then this is 10. So the result will be 12 minus 10, the result is 2 here. 832, the result will be 8. Then 15 minus 8 minus 15, then answer will be 23. And for this part 833, it will be 13. So the adjoint will be, therefore adjoint, taking the transpose directly, I am taking the transpose here. After taking transpose, 0, then minus 1, then 2, then 2 minus 9, 23, then 1 minus 5, the result here is 13. So these are the results we are getting here. After this, I shall be finding out what is A inverse. So coming to A inverse part, therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Let's put the values. Determinant of A we got is minus 1, then putting these values, 0, minus 1, 2, then 2, minus 9, 23, then after 1, minus 5, 13. The results will become, let us change the positions, by minus 1 each and every term if I multiply, it will look like 0, then 1, minus 2, then after minus 2, 9, minus 23, then after minus 1, then after 5, then after minus 13. So after this we shall be getting, actually we have to use it in the solution of system of equations. The equations are given, equations are twice x minus thrice y plus 5z is equal to 11. Then after we get thrice x, then after plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 5. Then after I get x plus y minus 2z is equal to minus 3. So this, actually the coefficient matrix here is exactly similar to that of the first part of this question, means value of A is same as that of the coefficient matrix of the system of equations. Writing in the form Ax is equal to B, I get here A is equal to 2, then minus 3, 5, then 3, 2, minus 4, then 1, 1, minus 2, then after we get x as x, y, z, then after B here as 11, minus 5, minus 3. Then after, while solving this, here Ax is equal to B, we have to solve it. So x becomes equal to A inverse B by multiplying both the sides, by pre-multiplication both the sides by the matrix A inverse. I get here x, y, z is equal to A inverse. The result we got as, the result we already get as 0, 1, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 2, then after minus 2, then after 9, minus 23, then after we get minus 1, then 5, minus 13. This was the result of A inverse. Then value of B we just got as 11, minus 5, then after minus 3. We are getting this from the equation itself. Then after x, y, z, that is equal to, we get here 0, minus 5, plus 6. After this minus 22, minus 45 plus 69. Then after minus 11 minus 25 plus 39. So let us check what we get. XYZ is equal to, here it is 1, then after 69, 45 plus 22, this result will be 67. So 69 minus 67, result comes as 2. Then 25 plus 11, this negative terms will give us a negative sum of 36. So here it is 39 minus 36, the result comes as 3. So we are getting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, then after z is equal to 3, and this is the required solution. Then after coming to this question number 16. So coming to question number 16, what do we get? The cost of 4 kg onion, then 3 kg wheat, then 2 kg rice is rupees 60. This particular information can form an equation if we consider the cost of 1 kg onion as x, that of 1 kg wheat as y, and that of 1 kg rice as z. Then it will be 4x plus 3y. From this part it is 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to rupees 60. Then after, in the second sentence, let us check what is it says actually. The cost of 2 kg onion, then 4 kg wheat, then 6 kgs of rice is rupees 90. So same cases here. If per kg the cost of onion is x, that of wheat is y, that of rice is z, then 2x plus 4y plus 6z equals to 90 again. Similarly, the last sentence, 6 kg onion means 6x plus 2 kg wheat means 2y, then 3 kg rice will be thrice z is equal to 70. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. So in this case, first of all, there should be assumption made. So how can we make this assumption? Let us check. So in the solution part, what did I write? Let the cost of 1 kg onion be rupees x, cost of 1 kg wheat be rupees y, then cost of 1 kg rice be rupees z. Now according to question, from the first sentence, what can I take? I can take that 4x plus 3y is equal to 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 60. 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 60. Then after 2 kg, I'm in the second sentence actually. The second sentence will give us twice x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90. Then after, what we shall get? From the last sentence, I shall be getting 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 70. So this is the arrangement. We got this kind of arrangement here. So after this, I'm going to write all this in ax plus b form. Writing in ax is equal to b form, such that A is equal to, I shall get here 4, 3, 2, then 2, 4, 6, then 6, 2, 3, then after here it will be x. I shall be writing x here. Then after there comes b. So in b part we shall be getting 60, 90, 70. So after this, what did I get? We shall try to find out what is determinant of A now. Determinant of A, I shall expand here. 4 into 12 minus 3, in this case 6 minus 36, then after plus 2 I get here 4 minus 24. On simplification the result will come as 50, which is not equal to 0. So determinant of A we got here 50. Then directly I am going to find out the adjoint. Therefore cofactors of A are A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, then after A31, then there comes A32, then after A33. Let's check what results we get here. A11, the values are 0 here, then after in this case it is 30, then after here we shall be getting minus 20, then after, for my convenience actually I want to write this here. The equations will be, A will be 4, 3, 2, then 2, 4, 6, after that 6, 2, 3, 2, 3. So from this we are evaluating. Then 21, A21 comes as minus 5, A22 will be 0, A23 will be 10, then A31 will become 10, A32 will be minus 20, then A33 will be 10 here. Then directly we shall come to adjoint of A. So we shall be getting adjoint of A here as adjoint of A. I am directly taking the transpose and writing the final result for adjoint of A. So 0, minus 5, 10, then after 30, 0, minus 20, and then after we get minus 20, 10, 10. After that what would I do? Therefore for AX is equal to B, what we shall get? X is equal to A inverse B. Then after we shall be getting 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into B. Let us put the values. This will be x equal to 1 by 50. Then adjoint of A we are getting here as 0, minus 5, then 10, then after 30, 0, minus 20, then after minus 20, then after 10, then after 10. B comes as 60, 90, then after 70. So we have to multiply these two matrices. Then x is equal to 1 by 50 after multiplication. the results comes as 0 minus 450 plus 700. Then after here I get 1800 plus 0 minus 1400. Then after here it is minus 1200, then plus 900, then after plus 700. Let's check what we get. X will be equal to 1 by 50, and here I get 700 minus 500 will be 200. Here in this case 250. So we shall get here 250. Then here in this case it is 400. Then again on this part it is 400. So after scalar multiplication, the result comes as XYZ. Here I get 1 by 50. Actually I'm going to perform scalar multiplication directly, and the values can be written inside the matrix in this way: 5, 8, 8. So after this, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8, z is equal to 8. So this is the required result. Actually x is equal to 5 means cost of onion per kg is rupees 5. Then that of wheat per kg is rupees 8, and that of rice is rupees 8 again. Then after, another important question from this miscellaneous exercise. Let's come to that first. Let us take the question here. Question number 16 of the miscellaneous exercise is important for this part, solution of which involves the method of solution of system of linear equations. The question is like this. Question number 16 of miscellaneous exercise. Here goes the question. Solve the system of the following equations. The equations given are 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z is equal to 4. Then after 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z is equal to 1. Then after 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z is equal to 2. So here in this case we shall do what? If I start with the solution part here itself, given these are the equations, writing in the form ax is equal to b, we assume capital A as matrix A can be written like this: 2, 3, 10, then 4, minus 6, 5, then 6, 9, minus 20. Then here in this case x can be taken in the form 1 by x, 1 by y and 1 by z, and we can keep this as it is, nothing to change here. And if you want, you can consider this as u, v and w also. Then 4, 1, 2. Then after we shall check whether determinant of A will exist or not. So here in this case we can write, now determinant of A is equal to expanding along first row, 120 minus 45, then minus 3, minus 80, minus 30, then after plus 10, 36 minus plus 36. So on simplification, the result comes as ultimately 1200. So which is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Now we shall come to, let us write this once again, this matrix which will be required for finding out the cofactors. 2, 3, 10, then 4, minus 6, 5, then 6, 9, minus 20. So let us find out the cofactors. The cofactors of capital A are A11, A12, A13, then A21, then after A22 I get here A23, then after A31, A32, then after A33. Let's find out what values we are getting here. While finding out the cofactors, the result will come as, for A11 it will be 75. For A12 it is 110. For A13 this result will be 72. Then for A21 the result will be 150. Then for A22 the result will become minus 100. So it is minus 100. A23 will become 0. Then A31 becomes 75. A32 it is 30. Then A33 the result is minus 24. After this I am going to write down the adjoint directly. Therefore adjoint of A, I am taking transpose directly and writing the value 75, then 150, then after 75, then 110, then minus 100, then after I get here 30, then 72, 0, minus 24. So this is the adjoint I get here. After this, for the equation for the equation Ax is equal to B, actually I can write here x equals to A inverse B. What did I get? X is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, then after product of B. Then x is equal to 1 by 1200. Then in place of adjoint we can write 75, 150, then again 75, then 110, minus 100, then after 30, then 72, 0, minus 24. Then in place of B we shall have to write 4, then after 1 and 2. Now let us evaluate what we get. So after multiplication 1 by 1200, what we shall get? Here it is 300 plus 150 plus 150, then 440 minus 100 plus, here I get 60, then after 1 288. 144, again you have to multiply by 2. It is 288 plus 0 minus 48. So I shall get here x equals to 1 by 1200. Here it is. The result comes as 600. Then after, here it is 400, and on this part I am getting 240. Then by scalar multiplication, what I would get, here x will become as 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. That is equal to, I get here 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Then after, the result comes as 1 by 5 on cancellation. After that, what would I get? 1 by x is equal to half. Then 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by z is equal to 1 by 5. Then simplify again. We shall be getting x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, then z is equal to 5 on cross multiplication. So this is the required answer. Thank you.